Monitoring and control processes. Let's explore each key activity in the monitoring and control processes with relatable examples to illustrate their importance and application. 1. Performance measurement. Performance measurement involves comparing the actual performance of the project against the planned performance. This includes tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, to determine if the project is on budget, on schedule, and meeting quality standards. For example, imagine you're organizing a charity run. You set a budget, a schedule, and quality standards for the event. Performance measurement would involve tracking 1. Cost variance, comparing the actual cost of organizing the run to the budgeted costs. If you overspend on permits but save on marketing, you need to adjust and plan accordingly. 2. Schedule variance, checking if the preparation tasks like securing permits and setting up the course are completed on time. If the setup is delayed, you need to address it to avoid impacting the event date. 3. Quality metrics, ensuring the event meets the quality standards you set, such as having enough water stations and a well-marked course. Regular checks help ensure that everything meets the expected standards. Change control. Change control is a formal process for managing changes to the project scope, schedule, or budget. This process involves assessing the impact of changes, obtaining approvals, and updating the project plan accordingly. During the charity run preparation, you might receive a request to add a new activity, such as a kids race. Change control would involve 1. Evaluating impact, assessing how adding the kids race will affect the schedule, budget, and resources. 2. Obtaining approvals, getting approval from the event committee or sponsor before making changes. 3. Updating the plan, adjusting the project plan to include the new activity, such as revising the budget and scheduling additional volunteers. 3. Risk monitoring. Risk monitoring involves continuously tracking identified risks, reassessing their potential impact, and implementing response plans as needed. This helps to mitigate any negative effects on the project. For the charity run, you might have identified risks such as bad weather or low participant turnout. Risk monitoring would include 1. Continuously monitoring risk, keeping an eye on weather forecasts and tracking registration numbers. 2. Reassessing risks, evaluating if the risks have increased or decreased as the event date approaches. 3. Implementing response plans, preparing for rain by arranging for tents and having a contingency plan for low turnout, such as targeted promotions or partnerships with local schools. Quality control. Quality control ensures that project deliverables meet the established quality standards. This involves conducting inspections, testing, and quality audits to verify that the output meets the required specifications. During the charity run, quality control might involve 1. Inspections, checking the condition of the race course, ensuring all safety measures are in place and verifying that signage is correct. 2. Testing, ensuring that electronic registration systems work properly and that all race day materials like race bibs and medals are ready. 3. Quality audits, conducting a final review of all preparations before the event to confirm everything meets the quality standards set for the run. 5. Stakeholder communication. Effective stakeholder communication involves keeping everyone involved in the project informed about progress, issues, and changes. This is achieved through regular updates, status reports, meetings, and other communication channels. For the charity run, stakeholder communication would include 1. Regular status reports updating sponsors, volunteers, and participants about event progress, changes, and any issues. 2. Meetings, holding meetings with the planning team and key stakeholders to discuss progress and address any concerns. Communication channels using email newsletters, social media, and a dedicated event website to keep participants and volunteers informed about event details and changes.